Hello, I'm Dr. Madhu Chopra, and this is Dr. Nitika Modi. We are speaking to you from Studio Aesthetic, a fantastic dentofacial aesthetic clinic situated in a very beautiful, calm, green space where we ensure your total privacy and utmost confidentiality. Today, we are going to talk about
The wedding season.
wedding season. I'm actually in the middle of it, wedding season, and I know what's bothering me. I want to get myself running on the treadmill, working out, doing my Pilates, weight loss, and of course, the damage all this is doing to my face. I really want to start taking care of it. And most brides, most brides' moms, most brides' families, even the groom moms and families really, really need to buckle up and get ready for the wedding season. So, what do we do for
Anti-aging. See, I think that's the trend now. That earlier we were just seeing the brides and the grooms. Now we're seeing their parents, the mamas who want to look like the older sister of the bride.
okay.
So it's great. And I think if they plan ahead, the first thing I keep saying is that come way before. At least 6 months.
If you want to do any surgical intervention, then at least 6 to 8 months. And non surgical, then ideally 6 months, latest maybe 4 months. But to look your best, you can't come overnight and say, कि यहाँ मेरे lines दिख रहे हैं, botox कर दो, I should look pretty tomorrow. It can't happen. यहाँ filler डाल दो, मेरे lips सुंदर बना दो एक दिन में. Cannot happen. So advisors are sitting here to give you the good advice and do it for you and give you your best look.
And we all know that the largest organ of our body is the skin. And the skin shows us how healthy we are. And for the skin to transform, we know it's something that takes weeks. So we start you on a great diet plan. So we're looking at you holistically and the family holistically. We start you on a transformation plan where we give you the right foods to eat and then prepare your personalized perfect chart so that you can shine your best on the wedding day.
So we call in for a consult. We do a good, healthy counseling. We do your analysis. We see what all needs correction, what can be just needs transformation, what needs just a little nudge. And then we make a personalized, customized plan for over 4 months. Slow and easy, which includes laser hair removal, full body. You'll be absolutely fresh as a baby skin. You start 6 months ahead. By the time you're a bride, you'll have no hair on your body. Second, you can get your hydration of the skin done. You can do corrections, non-surgical within 4 months, surgical 8 months. Like you want to straighten up a crooked nose, you want to get your eyebrow going up. There's so many little, small, big things. Plus, you want your photos to look really good. And for that, besides using a filter, you should ideally look good without all that. At any candid moment, you should look beautiful. For that, you need to take care of the skin. The skin should look hydrated, absolutely soaked in nutritious fluid coming from the inside. So that means you have to have a happy interior, happy exterior, happy look, happy face, happy smile, happy skin, happy hair.
And a happy smile.
And happy smile. Happy smile, good looking pearls. So when you smile, and I know Nitika is one of the best person to go to for smile design. I've seen her work and she's amazing and so quick. I think a little trip to Studio Aesthetic is going to get all the brides and the family and the ladies and the men too. Not just the daddies, the groom, the brothers, everybody can come and get there. At least a consult and a little counseling just to take that confident step forward.
Wait, Doc, I had a question here. A lot of the brides and the grooms, they undertake the weight loss journey and, they change their dietary habits, their workout habits. So there's a little bit of that flabby skin lying around. What do you recommend for that?
If it's a surgical, it's simple, one time, done. If it's non-surgical, then there are various therapies. We have a VIP machine, VIP, which over the days, each procedure, each time you come under the whip machine, you lose at least 1.5 centimeters. There's a skin tightening. There are threads to give you skin tightening, especially around the abdomen, the bust, the butt. We can give them a good lift without resorting to surgery. But as I said, surgical is one time, non surgical is it, you have to repeat it. But depending on how young or old you are, I cannot predict exactly how much time it will stay. Some stay for 4 months, some stay for 1.5 years. And yeah, so the flabby skin can be reshaped.
Yeah.
There
Yeah.
are very good, very simple methods, painless methods to reshape you. Besides doing your yoga and exercises, it help you get this shape. We do have some medications, we do have some therapies, we do have some machines that do the job and simplify it for you.
And today we also have some great IV glow drips in the clinic, right? What are those IV hydrating drips about?
It's not just glutathione. We have a cocktail of IV drips. So they are antioxidants. Glutathione is one of the, it's a super drug. It's an antioxidant. People think आप उससे गोरे हो जाते हो. It's not just that. It just reduces the production of the melanin. So melanin production कम हुआ तो color थोड़ा साफ हो गया. So that's the benefit of glutathione. But actually it's a superoxidant.
And I've seen our patients there, the skin just glows post that.
Yeah. And of course, we have IV drips that have vitamin C, they have nourishing vitamins, we have collagen, we have B complexes, we have so many combinations, the whole cocktail about what you need. That's what you get. And the outcome is a beautiful bride and a beautiful family.
Awesome. Great. I think where dentistry is concerned, whitening is one of the
Very-
easiest, because one of the things when you're getting married is you want to look, feel, and smell your best.
Smell. Oh, yeah.
Halitosis is a bad
It's
put
a
off.
horrible thing.
So to get your oral hygiene intact, have great gum health. And once you do have great gum health after a good oral hygiene, you can whiten your teeth. That just ups up the entire smile quotient. And in case you need anything more, like Doc said, we can work on it within a week and transform your smile.
What they need most importantly is an advice of how to maintain the gum health.
Yeah.
How to keep your mouth, prevent your mouth from smelling bad, because ek to anxiety, so your mouth is dry, so it smells anyways. But if you have a good, clean, healthy mouth, good gums, good teeth, no caries, no bugs in your anywhere in the mouth, your tongue, then
Yeah.
you see what? It is a maintenance. So Dr. Neetika and her team, dental hygienists, everybody, they can do a super expert job and actually teach you to maintain this oral health, which is so important.
Absolutely. Setting in the right habit patterns at this onset of a new journey. You know, a couple come in and take. In fact, we just ran a campaign where he said, forget matching your horoscopes, ask your spouse, you know, your would-be spouse, when was the last time you visited a dentist? You can figure out how deeply ingrained they are into their own health. And the mouth is the window to your overall health. So, yeah, we do the counseling and we teach the couples. So,
You look good, you kiss good, you smell good. That's what my bride would be.
cheers to that.
Cheers to that.